In an era where 4K resolution is common, Hulu subscribers may question why they don't get picture-perfect resolution. But now, viewers can dive into their account settings to ensure they maximize their video quality. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Hulu offers 5 different resolutions: standard definition, 720p, 1080p, 4K Ultra HD, and 60 frames per second high definition. Which of these you get depends on a range of factors, including the type of device you're using, the content you're watching, and the available bandwidth. Typically, Hulu offers higher resolutions for content with badges including 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and 5.1 Dolby Surround Sound. Similarly, streaming shows, events, and films on Hulu app will give you better results than your web browser. Even within those lines, the quality of your stream can depend on brand compatibility. However, you can take several steps to improve your video quality. First, set yourself up for success by opting to watch Hulu through its application rather than your web browser. Then, choose films and television programs that offer higher resolutions. But these steps won't help if your internet connection is lacking. To maximize your experience, Hulu suggests viewers to both download up to at least 3 Mbps. And for live events and 4K resolution, Hulu recommends at least 8 Mbps and 16 Mbps. Limiting other data-consuming activities like music or video games can free up bandwidth for your Hulu stream even more. Now, if you dive into settings, Hulu lets users to choose one of 2 video quality options. The first is Data Saver to reduce your data consumption by automatically downgrading the quality of your streams. The other option is Best Available, which opts for the highest quality streaming resolution within your content, device, and bandwidth constraints. Choose whatever you like to get the best resolution possible. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.